All right, today I'm reviewing Snow Morning Frost Whitening Toothpaste. Now this has a refreshing mint flavor, so they say. Comes in a small tube like this, and go ahead and look on the back. And the reason why I got this toothpaste is because it allows me to brush my teeth and get whitening at the same time. Now on here, the directions are for adults and children 6 years of age and up, brush teeth thoroughly, preferably after each meal, or at least twice a day, or as directed by a dentist or physician. Children at 2 to 6 years old use only a pea-sized amount and supervise the child's brushing and rinsing to minimize swallowing. Children under 2 years of age, ask a dentist or physician. So this is a toothpaste. It does not have fluoride in it, supposedly. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to put some of this on my toothbrush to show you what it looks like. I'm just going to put a little bit on, and let me get in close so you can see this in its glory. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit on my toothbrush. Just going to show you just a pea-sized amount. And this right here is what it looks like. I'm kind of getting closer so you can see this. All right, so you see that? That is the Snow Whitening Toothpaste right there. So this is the Snow Whitening Toothpaste, and pretty much just go ahead and turn on my toothbrush, and I just go over my teeth like I normally would, brushing my teeth, and it actually does get it white, shades whiter by using this Snow Whitening Toothpaste. So I'm going to keep on ordering this because it actually is part of my regimen now to keep my teeth, keep the stains off my teeth, and keep them white. Pretty sad that I just recently came across some of this Snow Whitening Toothpaste, but I'm glad that I did because I can actually have whiter looking teeth now that I've discovered this. So that's the amount that I put on my toothbrush, and I just brush my teeth as normal, and I get a really good results from this. So this is Snow Morning Frost Whitening Toothpaste with refreshing mint flavor. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you're able to get white teeth just like mine. Thanks a lot for watching.